Okay, so as I mentioned in the previous video, the heating contractor knows which ductwork he can tie into, and the plumber's doing the same thing. The only thing that we discovered, since we're adding a bathroom upstairs and also we're adding a new bathroom in our addition over here, we have to run plumbing stacks and plumbing lines down through the floor here, and we're going to tie it into the existing sewer line here. So what we need to do now is start chipping out the sewer so they can tie in the new line into this one, and also we're going to be chipping out the floor and running a line to a stack that we're going to be creating for the upstairs ensuite bathroom. All right, so put your glasses on and let's start chipping away. No easy way to do it. Just get to work. Alright, so as you can see, we've chipped out all the concrete, and now we've dug down, we've exposed the existing sewer lines, and they're PVC, so they're plastic, and we can just tie right into them. So the stack that we're creating for the new washroom upstairs is going to go down the wall there, and we're going to cut into these stacks. So that's something you got to keep in consideration. If you can't tie into the main existing stacks, then you're going to have to cut the concrete floor and route the PVC into the existing line. All right, so on to the next stage. Great. Okay, great. So you can see the plumber's just finishing up, and as I pointed out earlier, so here's a new stack that we're running right here for the plumbing upstairs, and we've tied it into the existing sewer line. Just put a Y right here, and he's tied it into the old sewer line. And also we ran a new line stack, tied it into here, into the stack, which goes into the sewer, so as you can see. And then we've also ran a new sewer line for the new additional bathroom. And you can see make sure there's lots of slope. What I mean by slope is the sewer drain is sloped so that the water runs downhill, and you can see that it's been done properly. You can do a ball test on it or make sure there's a level on it where it has a slope down towards the sewer, and it's connected right here. And we're good to go, so we're just going to go ahead and backfill it. It's been looked at and inspected, so everything's good to go. So now just go ahead and backfill it, compact it once you backfilled it, and then go ahead and pour the concrete, and then we can continue on from there. All right, so great.